Hi everyone, welcome back to LDubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel guys, and if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking about what is happening with Bitcoin, what is happening in the crypto space. We are just crashing down and down and down. What is happening? This is crazy guys. Let's get into it. Hi everyone. Thanks for jumping back in. If you like this content, guys, and you want to see more videos on cryptocurrency, stock investing, and of course, overall investing, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It is absolutely free. Let's get into it. Alrighty, jumping straight in. Oh my God, what is happening in the crypto space? We have Bitcoin under 40,000. I saw it as low as 35,000, guys. We have Ethereum down to 2,600. We have altcoins. We have XRP, BNB, Doge, ADA, Link, Matic, Theta, Yearn Finance. We have everything is copying it today, guys. We have many coins in the deep, dark red today, double digit down on most of these coins, guys. What is going on? Have we hit the top? Is this the start of the bear market? Let's get into it. Bears, bulls, or something else altogether. Bitcoin is not going to bounce right back, says Mike Novogratz. The price of Bitcoin and many cryptocurrencies have been a double-digit percentage drop in the last 24 hours, but some crypto experts seem to be cautiously optimistic about the market. In an interview on CNBC, Mike said that going to take a while for the crypto to make this consolidation, find the bottom of the price for Bitcoin tipping to 30,000 earlier today. Novogratz's comment came from the price of crypto asset was roughly 38,000, having been more than 42,000 at the close of today's market. You had a confluence of events of combining of tax day, Elon Musk's tweet, whatnot, and we started breaking down the positivity in the price action. And now we've got a liquidation event, says Novogratz. It's not going to bounce back right away. Though the Galaxy Digital CEO, Bitcoin could hit a bottom of 3,600 or 38,000, the price rebounded slightly to reach 42,000 before sliding back under the $40,000 mark. There are likely many factors at play concerning that recent crypto market volatility. Cryptocurrency prime broker Trade reported there was Bitcoin-driven sell-off overnight due to the forced liquidations and leveraged closeouts. Meanwhile, the firm said that many ETH cash buyers came in with the price of the token drop under 2,000 for the first time since early April. While the initial volumes of the beginning of this morning rally off the lows were muted, while seeing the market stabilize with more consistent institutional appetite. Others in the crypto space, including CEO and founder of validating node-hosted platform Allnodes, and Steve, CEO and co-founder of Voyager, said the recent price drop may be attributed to people migrating their investments following reports that China had allegedly banned crypto exchanges, services, and transactions. 3 associates in the country recently outlined issues related to crypto investment and warned people of the market risk. Correction in the cryptocurrency market is common phenomenally. It doesn't mean, however, that a bear market is underway. The later would be caused if the blockchain industry was showing signs of slowing down. That can't be affirmed for the truth. We are seeing a correction, but this is an opportunity for a retail participation to reestablish themselves and increase their positions in the market. Crypto is not going anywhere. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Is this something that you're scared of? Did you get shaken out this morning, yesterday? Did you sell? Is this a buying opportunity? What are your thoughts? I know I am buying, guys, not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. I think this is a fantastic opportunity if you are a long-term investor, guys. On to the next one. 3 good reasons why 30,000 is probably the bottom for Bitcoin. Regulated concerns, a bit of FUD, and the uncertainty surrounding Tether appear to have gradually the Bitcoin price sell-off by derivatives data suggests that the bottom is likely in. After an agonizing 35% loss in 24 hours, Bitcoin finally bounced at the $30,000 mark earlier today, the 19th trading session. A total of $3.5 billion in liquidations took place, which might have accelerated to the movement, but they can't rely on the entire blame for that move. However, the weakness in derivatives markets did give some strong signals that panic was instilled, causing unsustainable levels. These can be measured by the price gap between the futures market's regular spot exchange along with the negative funding rate on perpetual contract. Pinpointing the exact cull point of the price movement is a daunting task, although Elon Musk remarks on Bitcoin mining coal usage like playing some role. However, may not even mark the deadline for Tether Holding Limited breakdown of tethered USDT reserves to the Office of the New York Attorney. Catlin, founder and CEO of Avalanche Majority, stated that traders might have felt compelled to sell other cryptocurrencies to reduce their risk of exposure given the credit risk that emerged from Tether's servicing disclosure. A report from Bloomberg regularly uncertainly entered the spotlight earlier this month when a USA Treasury Secretary of Security Commission Chair Gary Gensler expressed their concerns about the cryptocurrency sector. On May 18th, a banking and trade association under the People's Bank of China issued a statement that preventing the risk of virtual currency transaction speculation. It then went on to call a number of members' institutions to added by existing regulatory provisions regarding digital currency. The combination of these bearish factors resulted in a 50% correction seen in the past 9 days, but its impact on futures and markets finally showed clear signals of exhaustion. By analysts and future markets, price difference versus regular spot exchanges, one can before understand how the price moves has impacted professional traders. Typically, the 3-month future should trade with 8 to 15% annualized premium compared to the stablecoin lending rate. By postponing settlement, settlers demand a higher price, causing the price difference. Over the past couple of weeks, the indicator sustained above 8% levels, signaling confidence. However, during the dip to 30,000 on May 19th, the situation changed dramatically as backward emerging for the first time in the year. In the case the future markets trade below the regular spot exchange price, a very concerning situation. As the futures premium quickly established a healthy 7% level, one might conclude that it had been caused by stop loss and liquidation orders that pushed the price down to 30,000. To better assess whether this movement was something spec to monthly and quarterly futures, we would look at the perpetual futures contract. These derivatives are also known as inverse swaps, have an embedded rate, usually changes every night, hours to ensure that there is no exchange risks. While our arbitrage desk and market avoids exposure on the contracts due to their vulnerable funding rate. When long demands more leverage, there are ones paying the fee. The opposite holds when shorts are using more leverage, thus causing a negative funding rate. As shown above, the indicator entitled Unsettled Levels as of minus 0.2% rate equals a 4.3% weekly fee paid by short sellers. This institution is seldom sustainable for more than a couple of days as it incentivizes buyers to long positions. Both the U.S. regular uncertainty and offshore New York Attorney General action on Tether's disclosure might take months or years to develop. Meanwhile, China's actions show the difference from September 2017 move with the country announcing the shutdown of all exchange operations and initial coin offerings. Considering the negative futures premium and perpetual contracts funding rate impact, it is safe to say that 30,000 was the rock bottom for liquidations. The 54% price correction from the 64,900 all-time high marks the exaggerated market reaction to the speculation rather than reaction to the news that could harm Bitcoin's fundamentals and importance as a scarce, sensitive, resistant asset. What are your thoughts on this, guys? A lot of data to go through, but pretty much it's saying it was a combination of bad fear in the market, bad news, futures ending, and also news about Tether disclosing. All around bad news, guys. It was definitely the bad sentiment that shook out almost the entire market. I hope you weren't one of them, guys. I hope you didn't get shaken out. On to the next one. Bitcoin whales feast as Bitcoin price and the wider market melt down. Panic selling, sending Bitcoin's price to 30,000 for the first time since February. Data from Cointelegraph shows that the initial price dump that pushed BTC below $43,000 support level on May 6th accelerated into the overnight trading session as 111 billion worth of trading volume fused the wick down to 30,000. The market downturn sparked outrages and other delays across a few of the top crypto exchanges as the price of the vast majority of altcoins created along the price of Bitcoin, with Ether plummeted to 1900 and Dogecoin bottomed out at 0.236. And as with any significant downturn in the crypto market, derivatives and leverage traders were hit especially hard by the rapid 8,000 price drop in BTC that resulted in a record 10,526 BC being liquidated in 1 hour in 1 week. Oh my God, guys, that is crazy. Watch yourself out there with leverage. That is absolutely insane. While leverage traders were wiped out, some well-positioned traders and larger enters with dry powder used the opportunity to buy the dip and promptly put their newly acquired Bitcoin into personal wallets, as evidenced by the outflow of 16,895 Bitcoin in a span of just 10 minutes. As to what to expect next for Bitcoin, some clues have been offered by the team at Whale, which identified 33,000 as the new major support level for BTC, with the previous support at $46,000. This is a great dip buying opportunity with a clear invalidation, which makes it a great risk-reward trade. Some of the hardest hit coins in the top 30 include Litecoin, Polkadot, EOS, which have seen their prices fall by roughly 30%. Oh my God, guys, this is absolutely mental. Prices are going down. The market's going mental. Are you buying? Are you selling? Do you have any other questions? This is mental. This does happen as part of the cycles, guys. I was there the last time. This is normal. I know it doesn't feel normal, but hey, guys, this is actually pretty normal. It is a bit crazy how it happened so fast, but hey, stick around, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for sticking around. If you like this content, please do not forget to like and subscribe, guys. It is absolutely free. Speaking of free, if you want to get some free Bitcoin, check out the pinned comment to CoinSpot and, of course, Coinbase. If you're looking for a free stock to get started, guys, check out the pinned comment to Stake. See you next time.